Ecomhunt versus Sell the Trend. Which product research tool is best for dropshippers in 2024? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into two popular product research tools for dropshippers, Ecomhunt and Sell the Trend. If you're looking to level up your dropshipping game and find winning products more easily, you'll want to stick around for this in-depth comparison. We'll be looking at key features, pricing, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide which tool is the best fit for your business. Let's get started. Overview of Ecomhunt. Ecomhunt has been around since 2017 and was founded by experienced dropshipper Mordecai Arba. It's designed to help dropshippers find trending products quickly and easily. Some key things to know about Ecomhunt. Offers both free and paid plans. Focuses on curated lists of winning products. Includes features like product analytics, Facebook ad examples, and supplier information. Has a strong community aspect with an active Facebook group. Overview of Sell the Trend. Sell the Trend launched in 2018 and bills itself as an all-in-one dropshipping platform. It goes beyond just product research to offer store building and automation tools as well. Key points about Sell the Trend. Only offers paid plans, no free option. Uses AI technology to identify trending products. Includes features for competitor research, store building, and order fulfillment. Offers more advanced data and analytics compared to Ecomhunt. Now let's dive deeper into how these two tools compare across different areas. Product research capabilities. Ecomhunt's approach, manually curated list of 10 to 20 new products added daily. Products chosen based on specific criteria like profit potential and ad engagement. Includes key data like price, profit margins, and competitor analysis. Ecomhunt Live feature shows real-time product trends. Sell the Trends approach. AI-powered Nexus Explorer with millions of products. Allows filtering by niche, price, sales volume, and more. Trend Hunter shows products gaining traction on social media. Includes Amazon and AliExpress product explorers. Winner, Sell the Trend. While Ecomhunt's curated approach has benefits, Sell the Trend's AI-powered tools and larger product database give it the edge for serious product research. Ease of use. Ecomhunt. Clean, straightforward interface. Easy to quickly browse through curated product lists. Lucky feature for random product suggestions. Mobile-friendly design. Sell the Trend. More complex interface with many features and tools. Steeper learning curve, but very powerful once mastered. Extensive tutorial videos and documentation provided. Less mobile-friendly due to data-heavy interface. Winner, Ecomhunt. For beginners or those who want a simpler experience, Ecomhunt is easier to jump into and start using effectively right away. Pricing. Ecomhunt. Free plan with limited features. Paid plans start at $29 month when billed annually. 7-day free trial of paid features. Sell the Trend. No free plan. Single paid plan at $39.97 month or $3.97 year. 7-day free trial available. Winner, tie. Ecomhunt's free plan and lower cost paid option make it more accessible, but Sell the Trend offers more features for a similar price at the higher tier. Additional features. Ecomhunt. Facebook ad examples and targeting suggestions. Supplier information and links. Chrome extension for easy product importing. Basic store setup guides. Sell the Trend. Full store builder with themes and customization. Order fulfillment automation. Video ad maker tool. Competitor research features. Detailed sales tracking and forecasting. Winner, Sell the Trend. The additional tools for store building, automation, and advanced analytics give Sell the Trend a clear advantage in terms of extra features, community, and support. Ecomhunt. Active Facebook group with over 30,000 members. One-on-one expert support via Facebook Messenger. Regular blog posts and educational content. Sell the Trend. Smaller but growing Facebook community. Email and chat support. Extensive knowledge base and video tutorials. Winner, Ecomhunt. The larger, more active community and personalized expert support give Ecomhunt an edge in this category. Data quality and accuracy. Ecomhunt. Manually verified product data. Daily updates to product lists. Some users report occasional outdated information. Sell the trend. AI-powered data collection and analysis. Real-time updates on product trends. More comprehensive data sets, including historical performance. Winner. Sell the trend. The AI-driven approach and more extensive data collection give Sell the Trend an advantage in providing accurate, up-to-date information. Niche and market coverage. Ecomhunt focuses on popular dropshipping niches. Limited coverage of newer or more niche markets. Sell the Trend. Broader coverage across many niches and markets. Ability to discover emerging trends in less saturated areas. Winner. Sell the Trend. The larger product database and AI-powered trend detection allow for better coverage of diverse niches and markets. Automation and integration. Ecomhunt. Basic Chrome extension for product importing. Limited automation features. Sell the Trend. Advanced store integration with platforms like Shopify. Automated order fulfillment and tracking. Product import automation. Winner. Sell the Trend. The more advanced automation tools and platform integrations make Sell the Trend the clear winner in this category. Marketing tools. Ecomhunt. Facebook ad examples and targeting suggestions. Basic marketing guides and resources. Sell the Trend. Video ad maker tool. More advanced competitor ad analysis. Detailed audience insights and targeting recommendations. Winner. Sell the Trend. While both offer marketing assistance, Sell the Trend's more advanced tools and insights give it the edge. Overall value. Ecomhunt. Great value for beginners or those on a budget. Strong community support and learning resources. Focuses on core product research needs. Sell the Trend. Better value for established dropshippers or those scaling up. All-in-one platform with more advanced features. Higher price point justified by additional tools and data. Winner. Depends on your needs. Ecomhunt offers better value for beginners or those primarily focused on product research. Sell the Trend provides more value for established dropshippers looking for an all-in-one solution. Both Ecomhunt and Sell the Trend are powerful tools that can help dropshippers find winning products and grow their businesses. The best choice for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and experience level. Choose Ecomhunt if you're new to dropshipping and want an easy-to-use tool. You're on a tight budget and can utilize the free plan. You value a strong community and personalized support. You prefer manually curated product lists. Choose Sell the Trend if you're an experienced dropshipper looking to scale up. You want an all-in-one platform with store building and automation. You need advanced analytics and competitor research tools. You prefer AI-powered product discovery across a larger database. Remember, both tools offer free trials, so I encourage you to test them out for yourself and see which one feels like the best fit for your business. That wraps up our comparison of Ecomhunt and Sell the Trend. I hope this video has helped you understand the key differences between these two popular product research tools. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more dropshipping and e-commerce content. Have you used either of these tools? Let me know about your experiences in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.